Welcome to the e-commerce tool series. In this video, we're going to compare 4 of the best e-commerce platforms available today. Whether you're just starting your online business or looking to upgrade your current store, understanding the differences between these platforms is crucial. We'll explore Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and Wix to help you make an informed decision for your business needs. An e-commerce platform is essentially a software solution that enables you to create and manage an online store for selling products and services to customers worldwide. Think of it as your digital storefront that handles everything from displaying your products to processing payments. The core functions include managing your product inventory, processing customer payments securely, tracking sales analytics, and ensuring your store meets security and compliance standards. These platforms take care of the technical side, so you can focus on growing your business. When choosing an e-commerce platform, you need to evaluate several important factors. First, consider pricing and the associated fees. Second, look at the built-in features and capabilities each platform offers. Third, evaluate how much customization you can do with design and themes. Fourth, ensure the platform is mobile-friendly since most customers shop on phones. Fifth, check what third-party app integrations are available to extend functionality. Finally, consider scalability to ensure the platform can grow with your business. These 6 criteria will help you determine which platform best fits your needs. Shopify is one of the most popular cloud-based e-commerce platforms, especially for small to medium-sized businesses. It's known for being user-friendly and requiring minimal technical knowledge to get started. The platform comes with reliable hosting included, so you don't have to worry about technical infrastructure. Shopify's key strengths include its intuitive interface that makes setup quick and easy, an excellent app ecosystem with thousands of extensions, 24/7 customer support available whenever you need help, and fast, reliable hosting that keeps your store running smoothly. It's an excellent choice if you want to launch your store quickly without technical complications. WooCommerce is a free, open-source plugin that transforms your WordPress website into a fully functional online store. This platform is ideal if you want complete control and customization of your store. The main advantage is that it's completely free to download and use, saving you significant monthly fees. You get full customization control, meaning you can modify almost everything to match your vision. WooCommerce has a large and active community of developers who regularly share resources and solutions. Additionally, there's an extensive plugin ecosystem that allows you to add virtually any feature you can imagine. However, this platform requires more technical knowledge compared to fully hosted solutions. BigCommerce is an enterprise-grade e-commerce platform designed specifically for high-volume sellers and growing businesses. It's a hosted solution, meaning BigCommerce handles all the technical infrastructure for you. The platform offers enterprise-level features that can handle complex business requirements. One significant advantage is that BigCommerce doesn't charge transaction fees, which can save you substantial money as your sales volume increases. It's exceptionally scalable, handling large product catalogs and high transaction volumes without performance issues. BigCommerce also comes with built-in security features to protect your store and customer data. This platform is perfect for businesses that need advanced functionality and plan to scale significantly. Wix is a versatile website builder that includes e-commerce capabilities, making it ideal for small businesses and creative entrepreneurs. Unlike platforms designed solely for e-commerce, Wix combines website building with store functionality in one integrated solution. It features a drag-and-drop builder that requires no coding knowledge, making it very accessible. Wix offers beautiful, professionally designed templates that you can customize to match your brand. The pricing is generally affordable compared to other platforms, making it budget-friendly for startups. Wix provides an all-in-one platform that includes hosting, domain management, and e-commerce tools in a single package. It's an excellent choice if you want a beautiful online presence combined with basic e-commerce functionality. Let's compare these platforms across several important features. Looking at ease of setup, Shopify and Wix are very straightforward, while WooCommerce requires more technical knowledge. For customization, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and Wix offer extensive control, while Shopify provides moderate customization. Built-in payment processing is strong in Shopify, BigCommerce, and Wix, though WooCommerce requires additional setup. All 4 platforms are fully mobile responsive, ensuring your store works perfectly on phones and tablets. API access, which allows advanced integrations, is available in all platforms except Wix, where it's limited. This comparison shows that each platform makes different trade-offs between ease of use and flexibility. Continuing our feature comparison, all 4 platforms include strong SEO tools to help your store rank in search engines. Multi-channel selling, allowing you to sell on multiple platforms simultaneously, is strong in Shopify and BigCommerce, but limited in WooCommerce and Wix. Inventory management is robust across Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, though Wix offers basic capabilities. Customer support varies significantly, with Shopify and BigCommerce offering excellent support, WooCommerce limited support from the community, and Wix offering good support. Finally, all platforms have app marketplaces, though Wix's marketplace is more limited. These comparisons help you understand which platform excels in specific areas that matter to your business. Pricing is a critical factor in choosing your platform. Shopify ranges from $29 to $2,300 per month depending on your plan, plus transaction fees of 2.9% and 30 cents per transaction. WooCommerce is completely free to use, but you'll have additional costs for hosting, domain registration, premium plugins, and themes. BigCommerce ranges from $29 to $239 per month with no transaction fees, and higher-tier pricing available for enterprise needs. Wix ranges from $27 to $399 per month for their e-commerce plans, which include integrated tools. Consider not just the platform fee, but also transaction costs and additional expenses when calculating your total cost of ownership. Each platform serves different business types and needs. Shopify is best for beginners and small businesses wanting simplicity, users needing extensive app integrations, and multi-channel sellers targeting growth. WooCommerce suits developers with WordPress experience, budget-conscious entrepreneurs seeking full control, and businesses with highly customized store requirements. BigCommerce is ideal for high-volume sellers and enterprises, businesses wanting to avoid transaction fees, and operations needing advanced features for scaling. Wix works best for creative professionals and artists, small businesses wanting beautiful design without technical complexity, and those seeking an affordable all-in-one website and store solution. Identify which category best describes your situation to narrow down your options. To summarize, each e-commerce platform excels in different areas, and your choice depends on your business size, technical skill level, budget, and growth ambitions. Here are 3 key takeaways. First, start with your needs and evaluate which features matter most to your specific business. Second, consider your future growth and choose a platform that can scale with you as your business expands. Third, test before committing by using free trials to experience each platform firsthand and see which feels right for you. Now that you understand the differences between these platforms, you're ready to choose the best one for your e-commerce journey. Thank you for watching, and good luck launching your online store.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.